What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. I want to talk to y'all about how plants respond to thunder and lightning. So, I realized that after storms and heavy rains, that the garden really likes that. I spoke with a master gardener, and she said that the lightning actually charges the water, and then when it rains, all of that supercharged water gets on your plants and, of course, in the soil. And that's what makes your plants very happy, and they start growing really fast. Y'all, check out the red lilies. The red lilies are showing out. Looks like I have 3 in full bloom, and of course that one over there has been in full bloom for like a week. So yeah, plants like thunder and lightning. Don't let nobody tell you different. It's something about that extra light. It's not like sunlight, okay? It's a different type of light. And then when it thunders, of course, that shakes the ground. Those vibrations stimulate your plants. Any type of vibration is going to stimulate your plants. All right, so as y'all know, I'm growing collard greens. I'm growing Brussels sprouts, and I'm also growing zucchini. I got a couple other plants in my garden that they're pretty small. I got a couple of okra plants going already. But y'all, the garden does respond to thunder and lightning. Everything that nature provides, there is some type of effect on your plants. We've been getting a lot of rain and a lot of lightning, a lot of thunder, and I can tell that my plants respond to that. It seems like after a good rain, everything be standing straight up. After a lot of lightning, things be standing straight up. Things look really alive. I have lots of greens growing, y'all, and when I say they are huge, they are really huge. Everything in my garden this year is super large. This is the largest I have ever grown crops. This is the biggest since I've been gardening, and I have grown many things, y'all. But it's something about this year. Things are just super sized, and I'm not complaining at all. It even seems like my flowers are bigger this year. We had the solar eclipse on 4/8, as y'all know, and I know that that also had a positive effect on my garden. Pay attention to how things are looking after a thunderstorm, after there's been lightning, after there's been heavy rains. After that happens, go outside and take a look at your garden and see if anything has changed. I guarantee you're gonna see plants that are really happy. And look at all the water left on the plants. It's just pretty to see. This plant right here, y'all, is almost 2 feet tall. Let me step back and let y'all see. Y'all, we just had a big rain, and I feel like I heard some hail. Actually, I know it was hailing out here too. A little bit of hail came down, but it wasn't much. But I heard it knocking. I heard it knocking and everything. Thunder, lightning, rainwater. That's like a super duper trio. That's like the magnificent trio. Automatically you know that the garden needs sunlight. So we've been getting plenty of that. I feel like this garden is in a perfect spot. It gets just the right amount of sun too. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I have new fresh recipes coming, and I'm going to be using what I'm growing. These are the Brussels sprouts. And the Brussels sprouts really like it when it rains because the water collects right. The water starts to collect right there where the Brussels sprouts are going to grow. And it's like a self-watering, like a slow watering situation. I tell you, nature is awesome. You'll definitely notice the changes after multiple thunderstorms. The Lord knows how to provide things, natural things that's going to make your garden grow. And I love it. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.